Myself Dr. Prashant Kumar, physiotherapist at AHA Arthocare Hospital, Nagarbavi, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain about the breathing exercises which helps to the COVID-19 patients to overcome their breathing difficulty. Let us start the session. Coming to the first exercise, this exercise is called to be as pulsed lip breathing. In this exercise, what you have to do is, we have to take deep breath through the nose and release it from the mouth. I will demonstrate it for you. You have to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And your mouth should be like pouting position, like kind of whistling kind of position. This is first exercise. Coming to the second exercise, this exercise is called to be as diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragm is the one kind of respiratory muscle in our body which helps to breathe in and breathe out. So I will demonstrate this exercise for you. See, you have to keep one hand on the chest level and the other hand on the stomach level, called abdominal level, and take deep breath through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Take deep breath and exhale through the mouth. This is called diaphragmatic breathing, and this is the second one. Coming to the third exercise, this exercise is called to be as spirometry exercise or respirometer exercise. In this exercise, we have to use this small kind of instrument called to be as spirometry or respirometer. This instrument you can get in any medical shop. So this is called mouthpiece, and these are the balls, 3 balls you can see. See, this is 600 cc and 900 cc and 1200 cc. These are the pressure measurement volumes. And see, in this spirometry, how you have to use it. See, this mouthpiece you have to keep in the mouth and inhale through the mouth, and after removing the mouthpiece and exhale through the mouth. Okay, inhale and exhale through the mouth, same thing. But we have to inhale after keeping this mouthpiece into the mouth and exhale only after removing the mouthpiece. I will demonstrate this for you. See, these 2 balls is going up and down, and the third ball is not at all going up and down. See, this doesn't matter. This normal healthy person can breathe out only these 2 balls. To the fourth exercise, this exercise is called to be as breath holding technique. In this exercise, we have to train our lungs to hold the breath. I will demonstrate this exercise for you. See, just please listen carefully. We have to take breath through the nose for 3 seconds, and we have to hold it for 4 seconds, and we have to exhale it for 5 seconds. See, I will demonstrate this for you. See, again I will repeat it. Okay, inhale it for 3 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and exhale it for 5 seconds. This is fourth exercise. Coming to the fifth exercise, this exercise is called to be as balloon and straw exercises. In this exercise, you need to get 1 balloon, 1 cup of water, and a straw. See, you have to take deep breath through the nose, and you have to blow out to the balloon. Like, you have to inhale through the nose and exhale to the balloon. Okay? Like this. And coming to the straw exercise, you have to take 1 cup of water and keep one straw in that and blow it. and take deep breath through the nose and again blow it. So these are the balloon and straw exercise. This is the fifth one. So these are the 5 types of breathing exercises which helps you to overcome the breathing difficulty. And please like and share this video to your family members and friends so that it may help to someone. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to call. Thank you.